Good morning, student. In the last lecture, discuss about the tangent segment theorem. In this tangent segment theorem, some properties are also given, and today discuss about these properties or some examples about that tangent segment theorem. So listen here carefully. Page number 55, practice set 3.1, example number 1. In the adjoining figure, the radius of circle with the center C is 6 centimeter and line AB is a tangent at A. Answer the following question. Now first discuss about the diagram. Center is the C, and in this center the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. This is CA is the radius and this CA is the 6 centimeter. Then line AB is a tangent at A. This line AB this line AB is the tangent at A. In this point A, the line AB is the tangent to that given circle. Then answer the following question. Now listen here. First question, what is the measures of the angle CAB and why? What is the measure of angle CAB? This angle is measured and why? Then second question is, what is the distance of point C from line AB and why? What is the distance of point C? This point C, distance of point C from the line AB. लाईन ए बी पासून बिंदू सी चा अंतर किती असेल हे आपल्याला काढायला लावलेलं आहे आणि वाय. देन डिस्टन्स ए बी इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. ए बी डिस्टन्स इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. देन फाइंड द डिस्टन्स बी सी. फाइंड द डिस्टन्स बी सी. देन लास्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the measures of angle ABC? What is the measures of angle ABC? This angle is how much and why? So in this one question here about sub 4 questions are also added and they will be discussed step by step. So student, all of you write down this question in our notebook. Then discuss about the one by one question and write the answer about that one by one questions. So I will going to the first question, what is the measures of the angle CAB and why? So now student listen here. In this diagram, the C is the center of the circle and you should draw the segment CA in this way, and then angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Here this angle is 90 degree because of the tangent theorem. So I will write here first question's answer. We should first draw the segment CA and angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. For that is the tangent theorem. Then in the second question, segment CA perpendicular to line AB. Then CA is equal to 6 centimeter. So the point C is at distance of 6 centimeter from the line AB. Then in third question, find the distance of BC. So listen here. In triangle CAB, distance in this triangle draw the line CB. Then in this triangle angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, so BC or CB is the hypotenuse square is equal to one side square is equal to another one side square of that given triangle. So CB square is equal to CA square plus AB square. Then we should add the value here. CA square means the radius of the circle is 6 square and AB square is also 6 square. Then here CB or BC square you also write here. Then BC square is equal to 36 plus 36 is equal to 72 is equal to in root 36 into 2 is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter, and hence BC is equal to 6 into root 2 is formed taking the square root on both side. Then and hence distance B to C point is equal to 6 into root 2 centimeter. Then in the fourth question, what is the measures of angle ABC? What is the measures of angle A, B, C and Y? So listen here. In triangle ABC, here also CA is equal to AB. This CA and AB is same because of the both have the length is 6 centimeter. Each length is equal length. Then therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. It is also known as isosceles triangle theorem. Isosceles triangle theorem. Then angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. Let angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. Then in given triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle CAB plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Then angle ABC is equal to x plus angle CAB is equal to 90 degree plus angle ACB is equal to x degree, and then is equal to 180 degree. Then x plus x is equal to 2x. x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Then 2x is equal to 90 degree and x is equal to 45 degree. So this above each angle is 45 degree, means the angle ABC is equal to 45 degree is formed, and hence our example is finished here. Then example number 2, in the adjoining figure, O is the center. Here also listen, O is the center of the circle. Then from the point R, this point R, segment RM and segment RN are the tangent. Segment RM and segment RN is the tangent. Then segment touching the circle at M and N, these tangents are touching to the circle at point M and N. If OR is equal to 10, this OR is equal to 10, and radius of the circle 5 centimeter. This is the radius in our circle, and hence this will be in the 5 centimeter. Then they will be asked what is the length of each tangent segment. What is the length? MR and NR length is asked here. Then what is the measures of angle MRO? What is the measures of angle MRO? This bigger angle. And then last point, what is the measures of angle MRN? What is the measures of angle MRN? MRO means this angle and MRN means this bigger angle. So in this example 3 questions are asked already. Then I will discuss about one by one questions. Now listen here. This is the center of the circle O, and this R point is the exterior point on the circle. Then for that given R point, 2 segments are also drawn, 2 tangents are also drawn. One is the tangent MR, here also M point, and another one is NR, here also N point. Then in this example, OR is equal to 10 centimeter and radius of the given circle is 5. So I will draw the radius in this manner. This is also radius and this is also a radius, and its length is 5 centimeter. Now student, going to the first question, what is the length of the each tangent segment? What is the length of each tangent segment? This is our example number 2. Then going to the first sub question, what is the length of each tangent? So draw the segment OM and ON in this manner. Draw the segment ON and OM. Then in triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. This is the one triangle, and here also this is the 90 degree, means this is the hypotenuse. And then adding the value, OR square is the 100 square, OM square is the 5 square, and MR square is also find out. Then here is not 100, here only 10 square. Then 10 square is 100 is equal to 25 plus mr square. Then 100 minus 25 is equal to mr square. Then mr square is equal to 75, and taking the square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, therefore mr is equal to 25 into 3 in root. So mr is equal to 5 into root 3. In this manner, mr is equal to rn is equal to 5 into root 3 centimeter. This is the tangent in our diagram. Means this mr length is 5 root 3. 5 root 3, and this nr also 5 root 3 centimeter. They will be find out. Then going to the second question, what is the measure of angle MRO? What is the measure of angle MRO? So this angle is 90 degree and OM is equal to 5. Now listen here. Second question. In triangle RMO, this is the triangle RMO is the right angle triangle, and in this triangle OMR is equal to 90 degree, and then OM is equal to 5 centimeter and OR is equal to 10 centimeter. OM is equal to 5 centimeter and OR is equal to 10 centimeter. Then by using the converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, then by using converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, OM is equal to 1/2 OR, and hence angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Angle MRO is equal to 30 degree, and hence similarly angle NRO is equal to 30 degree. So student, in this both angle is same. Then going to the third question, what is the measures of angle MRN? So angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO. So angle MRN is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree, means angle MRN is equal to 60 degree. In this way student discuss about these all three questions in the given example, and hence I hope that all you understand about this question, but again I will explain you in Marathi. So listen carefully. This is the our second example. In this example, O is the center of the circle and R is the exterior point of the that circle. Then from that R point, two tangents are also drawn. One is the OM and another one is RN, and hence you should given OR is equal to 10 centimeter and radius of that given circle is 5 centimeter. Then I will draw first the segment OM and ON, and then putting the values here also 5, 5 and 10. So in the first example, find out the value of MR and NR. Then this is the 90-degree angle. By using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse side is equal to another remaining two sides of that right angle, and hence here also OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. Then value is added here 10, 5. Then square of that 10 is 100, 5 is 25 and MR square. So after going to this 25 here, 100 minus 25, and therefore only remaining 75. Then taking the square root on the both side, MR is equal to 25 into 3 in root. So MR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter, and this MR and RN is also same, and hence the value of MR and RN is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Then going to the second question, what is the measures of the angle MRO? So angle OMR is the 90-degree, and then given value is OM is 5 and OR is equal to 10 centimeter. Then by using the corners of 30-degree, 90, 60-degree, 90-degree triangles theorem, OM is equal to 1/2 OR, and then MRO is equal to 30-degree, and similarly NRO is the second angle is also 30-degree. Then going to the third question, what is the measures of the angle MRN? MRN angle is equal to the addition of the both angle is angle R and angle MRO and angle NRO, and then I will write here these two angles. Angle addition postulate is used, and then adding the values for that these two angles, and after that addition angle MRN is equal to 60 degrees. So student, solve remaining two examples in this given practice set. Then next lecture going to the next point, tangent theorem of the touching circle. Thank you.